Hello everyone, take a section from the top, tie a rubber band to it and then roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 more sections right underneath it. Repeat the same step under it and once more roll the hair in on itself. Loosen it using your fingers as such. At the bottom, make a normal braid. Add some decorative clips once you're done. Next, start off by dividing the hair into 2 sections and on one of the sides, make a braid. Make a braid on the other side as well, make a hole in one of the braids, put the braid through the other. Make 2 ponytails on either side and then, taking these ponytails, begin to make a fishtail braid out of it. That is, divide the hair into 2 parts and then interchange sections from either side. Once you reach the bottom, add a decorative rubber band. Diagonally divide the hair and in the smaller portion of it, make multiple sections and join it to the main ponytail. In the side, divide it into 2 sections. Roll up one of the sections into half and then the other and make a bow. Make a braid at the top as such. It will be a French braid. Add a rubber band at the bottom. Now take a small section of this hair and then make multiple sections as such. Loop it around your fingers and tie a rubber band around each of them. This is what it should look like. Take a section from the top and then make a braid out of it. Roll this up and then make a rubber band at the middle to make it look like a bow. Underneath that, make 2 more braids. Take a section of the hair from the top, add a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, make 2 more sections as such. Take another section from the back and then begin to braid the hair. Join it in a ponytail at the bottom. Make a ponytail on the side, divide the hair into 2 portions. In one small section, make a braid out of it. Add a rubber band to the middle of the braid, roll it up to make it look like a heart. Tie a ponytail at the back and then, taking the section from the front, make a braid out of it. Loosen it slightly using your fingers. Join them both at the back and exchange and attach it to the ponytails. Tie a ponytail and then loop the ponytail in on itself. Divide the ponytail into 2 sections and then braid each of these sections. Loosen the sections of the hair as such. After you have done this, roll both of these upwards, insert them into place and then add a rubber band. Add a decorative rubber band. Take a section from the front, underneath it add another rubber band. Roll the hair in the section that is there in the middle. It should look like a heart. At the back, make another section and then another. At the bottom, make a ponytail. Take a section of the top, tie a rubber band to it. Roll the section of the hair in on itself. Loosen it slightly using your fingers. Now make another section right underneath it. Twist the hair one on top of the other. Add a rubber band to it at the base and then using one of the holes, wrap the ponytail at the bottom around it. You may do 3 loops as such and then add a rubber band. Once more, loosen it using your fingers. Take a section of the hair from the top, braid it. Now taking the rest of the hair, tie a ponytail, roll this ponytail in on itself. Add the braid through it and then braid the bottom as well, roll it up. Take a section from the front and then begin to braid this section of the hair. At the back, tie a ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle. Roll the section of the hair in on itself as such. Loosen it slightly using your fingers. Tie a ponytail on one of the sides, divide the hair into 2 sections. Take small sections from either side and then make it intersect in the middle. Add a rubber band in the middle, roll it upwards and tie it up as such. Make 2 braids at the bottom. Take a section of the hair from the bottom, add multiple rubber bands to it, tie it up to the ponytail on the side. Make 2 braids and then wrap one of the braids around the other. Tie a rubber band to it. Take a section off the top, tie a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections from either side and then wrap it around the first. Roll the second section in on itself. Do the same with the third section and then at the bottom make a braid out of it. Start off by tying a ponytail, comb the hair in place. Now taking a section of this ponytail, make a braid out of it. In the other section, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself. Pull the braid through and then lift the hair up. Tie it up in place. Thank you for watching.